If you get this error code 3005 while installing StarCitizen, then I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So follow this tutorial very carefully. Now to fix this issue, first follow these steps. Monitor the download progress. During installation process, keep an eye to the live folder at the game download files. The folder is typically located in this location, which is C program files, Robert Space Industries, StarCitizen, and here is a live folder. So monitor the download progress. During the installation process, keep an eye on the live folder at the game download files. The folder is typically located in this location. Now, during the download progress, make a backup of the live folder. Near the end of the download, approximately 13 GB into base package, make a copy of the live folder and save it into another location such as desktop. So make a backup of the live folder. Near the end of the download, approximately 13 GB into base package, make a copy of the live folder and save it into another location such as desktop. Now allow the error to occur. Let the download continue until the error code 3005 occurs. So sorry, here it is 3005. It's just a typing error. So let the download continue until the error code 3005 appears as you see it here on the screenshot. Now, once it appears after the error, the .dat file, which is .dat file in the live folder may disappear, leaving the folder incomplete. Now, restore the backup. Replace the corrupted or incomplete live folder with the backup created earlier. Ensure the backup folder is placed in the same original location, which is C program files, Robert Space Industries, and then StarCitizen, and then live. Now, run file verification. Open RSI launcher. Go to settings menu and select verify files option. This process will scan the files and download any missing or corrupted content. Now complete the installation. Once the verification is complete, the launcher will proceed to the updating game content phase and the game should install successfully. This method can help resolve 3005 error and ensure the installation complete without issues. So that's how to fix this problem. If you're still having again the same issue, now follow these steps. Check network stability. Since the error can also be due to network issues during download or updating the game, ensure your home network is functioning properly. If you suspect network issues, you might want to restart your router or check for any service interruptions with your internet service provider. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it to see if it resolves the issue. However, some people were able to fix this by using a VPN, so you can also try. As you see here on Reddit, someone shared this. He was able to fix this issue by using a VPN. So you can try to use it. You can also use NordVPN, which the link will be available in the description. So just sign up for a free trial and try it to see it can help you resolve this problem. As someone shared this, he was able to fix it by using a VPN. Also, you can try to remove and reinstall. If the above steps do not work, the final step might be completely remove all related launcher and game files and start over again. So this is the fix for the error code, which is 3005. So make sure to follow these steps very carefully. And if you found a solution, then just share it on the comment section. And thank you so much for watching and see you next time.